In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partial profit in Tradingview. Taking partial profit lets you lock in gains while keeping the rest of your trade open, so you can stay in the trend without giving everything back. Let's walk through how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by heading to the bottom of your Tradingview chart and look for the Positions tab. This is where your active trades are listed along with size, average price, and current P&L. Find the position you want to trim. You can either click the small X on that line or right-click the position and choose Close Position. Don't worry, we're not closing the entire trade yet. A pop-up window appears. Here is the key: Enable Partial Close. If you don't see that option, you may have instant order placement turned on in your chart settings. Turn that off so the confirmation window shows all the controls you need, including partial close. Once the option is visible, check it. Next, enter the exact number of contracts, shares, or units you want to close. Think in terms of your position size. If you are long 0 units and want to secure half, type 500. This field uses absolute quantity, not a percentage, so double-check the number before you proceed. It can help to glance at your position size in the Positions tab to confirm you are entering what you intend. When you are ready, click Close Position. That executes the partial sale and books your profit on the portion you specified. The remaining units stay open, so you can manage the trade as usual. A common next step is to adjust your stop loss on the remainder to reduce risk. For example, moving it to break even or trailing under recent structure. Depending on your plan, if you prefer to plan partial exits ahead of time, Tradingview supports multiple take profit levels when you place an order using the Take Profit field. If your broker supports bracket orders, you can predefine several profit targets, so portions close automatically as price reaches each level. This can help remove emotion and ensure consistency in execution. Finally, if partial close isn't supported by your broker through Tradingview, you still have an option. Log into your broker's platform and manually close the portion you want there. You'll be achieving the same outcome, locking in profit on part of the position while keeping the rest active. That's all there is to it. Use partial profit to balance reward and risk. Keep your winners working and manage trades with more precision.